Hi, I'm Jen with Caketastic Cakes. You ever have those nights where you can't go to sleep even though you're really tired because your brain won't shut off? That's where you're at now. Why not bake something, right? Why not make your kitchen a mess? That'll make your morning so much better. So I figured, why the heck not? I'm not sleeping anyway. My brain won't shut off. So I'm going to make a regular old box mix, yellow cake mix, into a pumpkin spice cake because who knows if it'll work or not. It doesn't matter because it's for me. So I've got my cake mix in here. I'm going to add an extra cup of flour and sugar because let's face it, these cake box mixes are smaller than they used to be and you need to pad it. There's a cup of flour. Ugh. And here's some sugar. Little crunchy sugar. Okay. Cup of sugar. All right. Now, let's mix it together. Do you have to do this part? Probably not, but I'm doing it anyway, because why not? It's my cake. Now I'm going to add my wet ingredients, because I've got a lot of them. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, very healthy. When you can't sleep and you're cooking in the middle of the night, may as well go all out. Going to add 1 cup of either sour cream if you have it, and because I don't, I'm using Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt. Plain old boring Greek yogurt. And I saw a meme the other day, and it was so funny to me because it was like this little person, kid or something, and they were standing in front of a refrigerator being sad. And it said, when you want something sweet to snack on, but you realize you live in an ingredient house, so you eat a bag of chips, chocolate chips. That was, yeah, that's here. That's me. That's what I put my family through. All right, I've got a can of pure pumpkin. Let's throw it in, see what happens. I'm going to do half of the can, though, because I have no clue how moist this is going to make it. Probably pretty freaking, if I had to guess. Yeah, that's about half. Looks good to me. All right, we're going very exact and professional here. Now, because, again, this is my cake, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. But this is the vanilla extract I made using rum. Yay, my cake. Ooh, that smells good. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons because I can. All right. It's actually very pretty. Like, hold on. Can you see it? Like, look how pretty that is, right? It's so autumnal in color. But wait, we're not done. Because I added a cup of the Greek yogurt and a half of a can, which is going to be like 6.5 ounces of pumpkin. I'm not going to add a whole, I'm going to add like half a cup of milk. Because I have no idea what it's going to do. Yeah, that looks good. Sure. And now for the piece de resistance, pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add a very expert and special amount, a chicka. Because, I mean, it's cinnamon and like clove or something. Who doesn't like that, right? Wow, that smells good. And you're probably thinking, okay, that looks good. We got to add eggs. 3 eggs. I'm going to crack them into here first because even though this cake is for me, I don't want to eat eggshells. So I'm going to add 1 at a time. Let it mix a little first. Then add the next. And my last one. This is going to be great. I don't even care. Oh, I don't want to have to clean this up tomorrow. Or later today, I guess it is technically. So yes, when you can't sleep, your mind is going, bake something. Because why not? Why not is really all it is. I'm going to scrape it because it's sticking to the side a little bit. Gotta say, the consistency is just fine. And it looks like the color of fall. It's very pretty. I hope it tastes good. And I might make a cream cheese icing to go with this. Ooh, that would be good. Because who doesn't love some cream cheese icing with their pumpkin? Although technically it's frosting, right, Jericho? He says yes. That's my dog. They are very loyal. They stay up with me when I bake. In the meantime, I've got 3 6-inch greased pans. My oven is preset to 350 degrees, and I have no idea how long I'm going to put them in for. Probably, if I had to guess, like 30 minutes. And then I'll have to just see how it is. I have no idea. And now I have extra milk. Do you want this? Come here. You want to say hi to everybody? Come here. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. All right. Let's not set that in the egg juice on the counter. I might be a little bit frazzled, but I don't want an extra mess that's going to bake onto the bottom of the pan. Okay. Ooh, it looks so good. Doesn't it look good, Jericho? Yeah, he said, yes, it does. Oh, Ginny cheese here too. All right. Are you ready? There we go for the piece de resistance. Ooh. Now, even though it might be late and you might be a little tired, you're not going to overfill your pans because you don't want to clean the oven if you don't have to. 2. No. That's not for you. It smells good though. And it's pretty. It's a pretty color. If nothing else, it'll be a pretty color. And here's my last one. I hope it doesn't all leak through, but it might. Because it has a loose bottom and I didn't put any wax paper down or parchment paper. Because I don't care. Oh, there's a lot in here. All right, that's going to be some big cake. Okay, let's bake it and we'll see how it turns out. So last night in the middle of the night, I decided to bake this cake. And I made the pumpkin cake and it came out just fine. It baked for about 40 minutes, which was surprisingly long. It's dense. It has a mild pumpkin flavor. It's mild. If anything, I feel like it could have used more spice. The chicka, maybe do a little bit more of. But otherwise, you're not going to overwhelm anybody. And it's good. You know, you put it with some icing, it's really good. Because icing always helps. And I made the cake into this. Isn't it cute? There's a little dog and ghost sculpture that's going around. I decided to make it into a little cake. So try it. It comes out really good. And if you want to see how the ghost is made, just look for that video too. I'll put a link to it. So thanks.